Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial. And in this video, we will be learning how we can fix unable to log into Windows 10 even with correct password. And so to do that, we will be following a very simple method to fix the login issue. So first thing is to access the power option. So locate the power button at the bottom right corner of the screen and then hold the shift key on the keyboard and then click on this restart button while holding the shift key. So this will bring up the advanced boot options menu. So since I can't do that because once I do that, the application or software that I am using to record this video will be automatically off and the video will be automatically cut. So I'll just be saying to you the options that you need to click on when you're in the advanced boot or advanced options menu. So once you have already entered the advanced options menu, please select the troubleshoot from the menu and then click on advanced options, and then there you need to choose the startup settings to change Windows options. And the next step is to enable the safe mode. So in the startup settings, you need to click on restart to restart the system. And then once the system restarts, then you will see several options for troubleshooting. So you need to choose enable safe mode with networking, or you can also have F5. It's often the F5 or number 5. So once you have done that, your system will boot into safe mode. Just please make sure that you have chosen the enable safe mode with networking option. Now the next thing is to log into safe mode. And once the system boots into safe mode, you need to enter your password. So the login error should be resolved and you should now have access to your Windows 10 or Windows 11 account. Okay, so after doing that, just restart normally. After logging in successfully, you need to go to the start menu and then click on this power button again, this one, and select the restart button again to reboot your system normally, and the login issue should be fixed and you won't face the same login errors again. Okay, so by using safe mode, you can fix login problems in your Windows 10. And if the video helped you, consider subscribing to the channel and hitting the bell icon. So thank you for watching this video and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.